Guys, here's my fridge for sale. So, it displays a little bit there, but all the rest still works fine. Did use water, but I haven't used it for a little while. Ice. The ice function did have an issue a while ago, but as you can see, it all works. It stopped making ice about 2 years ago. The light in there works. I think it was a sensor. When we bought the guy out, he'd done a quick fix with some tape, but he did say he'll probably need a new unit, which was worth $300-400 back then, so he sort of didn't bother. But yeah, here it is.